this Oxidata Advanced Oxygen Analyzer for medical gas analysis, manufactured by Wave Visions. This monitors 4 important parameters of medical gas, like oxygen purity, oxygen flow rate, oxygen pressure, and oxygen temperature. You can see all these parameters scrolled on this unit. This unit is quite useful in monitoring any medical gas, especially oxygen concentrator output. Let's see how this is useful in oxygen concentrator monitoring. This is oxygen concentrator of 10 liter capacity. We are connecting this output to the input of this Oxidata. You can see all these parameters will be seen on this Oxidata. You can also see the same on Android app, which is connected through Bluetooth to our this handheld Oxidata device. You can see all these parameters on the screen with a running graph. Let's try to vary the parameter. And you can see the variation on screen as well as on display. This unit can also be charged using regular Android charger, so you don't have to worry about the power supply. There is rechargeable battery inside. Now you can also take the report of this parameters by pressing this report key. So this report can be generated for the current parameters as a record of the current status of the oxygen concentrator. You can also share it with others for the same records. Now this unit can also be used for pressure monitoring. You can check the pressure either by closing the output of this or putting some closer tube, and now you can see the pressure what is being generated by this oxygen concentrator. So Oxidata is quite useful in monitoring, assessing and troubleshooting oxygen concentrator and validating the output parameters of oxygen concentrator, like oxygen purity, pressure, flow rate and temperature. Thank you.